and I'm from Africa. Teacher, about yourself. You tell teacher your name, what you like, and what you don't like.
I like English. I don't like those.
You don't like ghosts?
So, I like playing football and chess.
Oh, you like playing? Is the teacher in school? Oh, in class. Oh. Oh, you like making models? Wow. Swimming? And what? Angela,
Con có bút.
is it you? Have food, right? Okay. Now talk about your food. Sausage, I want to eat with you.
This is my picture. Sushi. This food in the pot.
Show your pictures to the camera. Oh, it's brown too. What is this? Is it watermelon? Oh, and what is this? What's your name? Miai. Miai, what did you draw? Good. What did you draw? Tell teacher. Juice or water?